Oh, no. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Right. So I request everyone kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. I already ping what
Sure.
to provide. Please provide your details. Shall I go?
Yeah.
Right. So guys, the current batch is 8 to 9 a.m. batch, and today is the first demo. I request everyone, please don't write anything. Simply listen to the session. We are in the era of artificial intelligence. Listen, understand. Don't write anything. I will provide the necessary documents for you and video also.
Okay, sir.
Right. Right. For non-IT people, since you want to enter into IT, you must learn IT terminologies. You should not say I'm feeling little difficulty. Then no need to come to IT. So there are technical words in IT that I will use in the demo class. For IT people, yes, do not feel panic. We'll go in detail and we'll see multiple case studies and projects in the regular classes. And don't consider this class as a demo. Consider a real-time content class. Many important words we are going to discuss today, and basics to advanced level only the training will be. And today and tomorrow demo classes, regular classes from Wednesday at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. No delay in the sessions. So this is update. My training is really good for the people who are preparing for interviews and real-time working perspective. Complete pattern is different. We see case studies more and more, and projects, two projects cover detail. And PL 300 certification also I cover, where 70 to 80% knowledge you can grab from the subject. Remaining 20% from the materials or manuals, but still I will help you on this. So this is the objective of my course. Everything very systematic, very proper approach. Now, today is the first demo. Introduction 20 minutes with what we cover, what we provide. And second, complete understanding from data to Microsoft Fabric. You must be aware of it. Don't consider like a theoretical part. It's a very, very important part I'm covering. Without understanding this, do not continue with Power BI classes anywhere, wherever you want to continue. Even my classes, we will not allow people who are not getting good knowledge on this, because you confuse it. What is Power BI, what it does, or what is Fabric, etc. And tomorrow is the second demo at 8 to 9 a.m. and regular classes from Wednesday at 8 a.m. and 8 to 9 sharp. Just plus or minus 5 minutes, 8 to 9 sharp. So this is today's agenda, and this is tomorrow's agenda. And after this, we are going to see 5 case studies, etc. Let me open. So let me start the first demo part, introduction 20 minutes. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. I'm a lead consultant and course duration 50 to 60 hours. So if you really want to learn complete detailed training of Power BI, compulsory you must spend this time. On the fly, few topics you want to learn or some examples you want to practice. 10 to 15 hours or 20 hours training is good. But if you really want to have in detail training, this much time units spent. Without spending this much time, it is not possible wherever you learn. Do you think with 20 hours learning, you will get a good job and you will serve in the companies? Then everyone will come to IT only. Everyone will come to IT. It's not that much easy. Subject is easy, but the number of topics are more, so you need to spend enough time. Class duration 1 hour. Monday to Friday compulsory classes, monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays. And we provide daily live class videos and access provided till 1.5 years. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. And you will get very solid theory and practical material from the institution side. And no prerequisite. If anyone wants to learn directly, they can start up. If you're enthusiastic towards IT, yes, confidently you start up. But if you have Excel knowledge or SQL knowledge, Excel you aware of, SQL, it's a database working language. In case you are having this knowledge, little advantage for you. Added advantage. Qualification, any graduate can learn. Any graduate. Earlier only engineering graduates and MCA like that, but from 2020, companies not considering qualification. Hardly 1-2 companies, but maximum companies, any graduate. And Power BI is fully graphical user interface component with low code. I'm not saying no code, low code. And the training from basics to advanced in detail. Sir, I want to finish within 30 hours. Is it possible? So I don't have any fast track classes, but if you want to finish in less time, call me on. I'll give you my contact number. This is my contact number. Call me. I will help you on that. How to complete the course in 1 month, I will let you know. And this is the subject I'm going to give you next 2 months. Next 60 hours subject. And this complete part is project and environment related. You're going to work in a company. So you must aware of what type of environment you're going to work, what it contains, how to handle. That I will give you. And this part is Power BI subject. Power BI subject level cloud we use, on-premises we use. So both I will explain. Along with that, Power Apps for 2 hours, Power Automate for 2 hours I will cover. Sir, is it compulsory? Yes, they will help you in different places. So I cover those 2 also. So the complete subject and syllabus made as per the organization's requirement. It is not my own content. According to my experience and my company's demand and different companies' demand, I made this content. And project environment concepts like data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning, these all I'm covering. High level, but covering. 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. Database in SQL, 3 to 4 hour session. I will cover here because if I take more time, your Power BI subject will be reduced. Within 2 months, if I take 20 days SQL classes, then how much I can give Power BI concepts? 40 hours. So you will not get much. In case you want to learn SQL in detail, yes, learn in detail wherever you want to learn. Even we also offer. But there are 9 topics, you prioritize it. That is sufficient. SQL learn overall to get complete understanding what it has, what it does. and later prioritize 9 topics to work with BA projects, because we don't use beyond that. And tabular cube knowledge 2 hours I will give you, add on to your resume, and it will give you some understanding for the real time. Why people preferring cubes and semantic models. And everyone required for job trials, resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, 100% we cover, and we'll provide videos as well. So this is a subject next 2 months I'm going to cover. An institution provide theory and practical material. And the training is complete practical oriented training. And you will be having very good interaction with me during the classes, after the classes. FAQ is also covered in the course level. Daily live class videos I will share. Resume preparation mandatory. WhatsApp group is created for our regular updates. Very systematic training. And the training is really good in case you want to keep less than 5 years. Power BI developer plus DAX. This DAX is a language, data analysis language, data analysis expression language, which is used for modeling and analysis in Power BI. This part anyway I will cover. SQL basics I will cover, but in detail you learn somewhere. With this combination, you can try and 90% opportunities in this combination, Power BI plus SQL now, 90%. And even you want to try as a support resource, administration resource, possible, my course cover. 95% admin part I'm covering in the classes, 95%. 5% not possible because they're available with premium capacity accounts in the real time. And the premium capacity account minimum charge is 7,50,000 per month. So we cannot afford that much. So we are not explaining this 5%, but 95% we are explaining. And you're already in MSB resource, Tableau resource, Azure resource, Synapse resource. Combination you want to go, yes, this is a better combination. But I will tell you in tomorrow's session, along with Power BI, if you want to learn a tool, which tool is good? But Power BI and SQL sufficient, more than enough, but still you are having more experience or more gap and you want to cover, then what is required, I will tell you. And senior resource, more than 5 years you want to keep in Power BI and try. These are the opportunities available. Modeling role, designing role, specialist role, architecting role. But this course does not support this. Power BI side, okay. But designing, modeling, etc. will come into picture when you have 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end experience or end-to-end knowledge. Without working, it is not possible. Learning is not sufficient to try for this, but if you're expecting long tenure and expecting better designations, better career path, yes, possible. Ignore about power, remove the power. BA modeling, BA designing, BA specialist, BA architect. Wonderful technical roles. More packages, you will find it. I have my friend who is working for the last 18 years and now he's a BA architect. He's completely into BA side. He did not change his career to management side. So this is what we provide. Just let me show you. Online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. So the demo videos and documents you will receive. These are the batches currently I'm handling. 6 batches I'm handling now. And take morning 7 o'clock. This was started recently. And prior to that, 7 a.m. September. See, this is the way you will get the content. One folder created for you. Irrespective of your attendance, you will get the video. Ask anyone, they will tell you. So this is the lab backup for your practice. This is the area, all videos available. And Power BI content and checklist, how many hours I'm going to spend for every topic. An interview and project oriented, what we need to focus. In case you're not able to watch the video, how to view. Everything I mentioned here in a spoon feeding way. This is all materials area. and we are preparing new materials. So when we share old material, I said old material. Let me click on videos. In this area, you will find, see, 75 sessions close to that I took for this batch, but there are many additional sessions they require, and then I took. So Power Automate, Power Apps, Project 2. Project level also detailed content I will cover. The total 8 parts I have taken. To explain interview, project explanation, interview explanation, how to explain an interview, how to brief the project. In case in interview level, they ask challenges you face, complexities you face, those also I'm covering with videos. I take session, I cover. Even documents I will cover. So business specification document, technical document, customer input and images, and additional report content must read. Like the spoon feeding way, you will get the content. Only one thing, utilization. See, once you complete this project, how to place the project in the resume level. Interview explanation, how to do. This is a document, and earlier one was a video. Daily activities in the project level. What are the complexities faced in the project? Everything spoon feeding way, you will receive it. Only one thing, better learning. See, starting from first day, all videos. So I started this batch on September 25th. Power BI first demo, second demo, third class, one by one, one by one. And if you notice this, for every batch, I take case studies first, so that you will get some understanding in Power BI. See, case study 1, case study 2, after starting only, immediately, case study 3, case study 4. Row level security, refresh, gateway, all at the beginning only. Even GitHub class, Agile class, deployment class, if you see this. In case already you are having real-time knowledge, you feel very happy about this content. So this is the way I will progress, guys. Resume preparation session, page related report builder, resume preparation interview guidance session. I'll give you minimum 30 to 40 resumes. See, good resume formats, resumes. So whatever you require, we will provide all the stuff. Are you okay? Good. What next? Course, next 2 months, this is the content I'm covering. So take any batch, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. November, let me open. Even you will come to know where exactly we are during the classes. So don't expect practical and all in this session. Tomorrow I will take the practical. But what we are providing, how we are providing, you are supposed to know. But just practical sessions, you will find thousands of videos and millions of videos in the YouTube. It is a systematic training. Guys, 10 o'clock batch. What I completed so far. 2 demo classes, 2 hours. Later, what is the next session? How much time I'm spending? Case studies, how much time I'm spending? GitHub and Agile, how much time I'm spending? Later, subject to learning. Power BI service classes, 5 hours after this. Power BI desktop subject to learning 1 by 1. 2 projects, 4 hours explanation. Resume preparation, 1 hour. Everything very systematic for 60 hours. This is high level. Now low level, coming to case studies. 4 case studies level, what you are going to learn. First case study, what it talks about. Last case study, what it talks about. Service classes. Power BI service level, cloud level, these are all I'm going to cover. 11 topics. Extracting data level, these are all sources will extract the data. PDF file, web, Word file, JSON file, XML file, these all will work on. Visuals level, what I'm going to cover. So visuals not yet started for this batch, so nothing. But extracting data, this is also not started. Service only running on. So this is a way course content you will receive, and today only you will receive this part. Next, coming to institution and job market, we will get on and off opportunities from different companies. We will inform you in your WhatsApp level. Everyone aware of it. We'll inform you, and companies also absorb. It does not mean we'll give you 100% guarantee, but very good training will give you. Whenever companies approach us, we'll refer. So the reason why I'm saying companies approaching us, in case there is no brand, no quality training, no company will approach. From this, you need to understand. Even yesterday, last night as well, one customer. Hello, Vinay garu. We offered 3 months internship to so-and-so person, and this is a salary, but he did not turn up. Could you please provide more profiles? Just today only, couple of minutes ago. He given his email ID also. Not one even company requirements. If it opens, good. It's not opening, old one. So I will cancel this. So this kind of WhatsApp groups will create, guys. We'll inform everything. Today, a bit late, I will take the session, so I clearly inform them. Today and tomorrow, batch starts at 9:15 a.m. There will not be any delay for the students. They can plan accordingly. See, if the class completed, you will receive a message. On 2nd February, this was the concept I explained. Parent and child functions, aggregate functions with A. As discussed this weekend, you do not have sessions and we'll meet on Monday. Kindly complete the necessary DAX practice. A proper spoon feeding way you will find it. And there was a Power BI opportunity alert 2 to 3 years Vinay. So this is the email. It's a different email than the previous one. One company approached on Tuesday for the requirement. And our students also, their response is really nice. I will show in a minute. Okay. So you want to try as a Power BI developer, only Power BI sufficient, Power BI and SQL sufficient. Correct. Power BI. So I will talk to you, sir. I'll talk to you. I'll explain you all this stuff. So your question require at least 5 to 10 minutes attention. I'll spare my time, don't worry. See guys, hello Vinay, he drafted a normal message on Friday, 2 days ago. Hello Vinay, I think I have got enough profiles for now and we have just one position and we will screen interview the candidates in the coming week. Keep you posted. A request to stop sending any more profiles on my email ID. So this is a way also. I'm telling you, on and off we get company requirement. There are many actually, I'm not showing all. It's waste of time, my time. Yes, Power BI fresher opportunities also, there are many. I will tell you, sir, I will tell you. Right. So what we provide, how we provide the content, what type of communication we are having, I clearly explained. I'm concluding with this. In this 20 minutes, I explain. daily you will get regular class videos and how you will receive, and what type of communication you will see in the WhatsApp group level, and how do you come to know what is the content currently going on and how many topics more pending, etc. Simply systematic training and the details I provided. Now I want to start this data to fabric. Until 9:10 it will continue. Later I will address your questions regarding this part. Now ask your questions related to demo. I am open for 3 minutes. Ask your questions. Online, offline people. Question now.
Sir, does SQL is very much necessary SQL information because I comes from non-IT background.
No, in case you want to try as
Try as just a
no,
BI, the what do you call, sir?
yes, I will explain.
Less than 5 year course. Means I wanted to start my career with BI dashboard creating and all. So for that purpose,
Yeah, understand. So guys, coming to opportunities regarding Power BI, you can try as a Power BI developer, but for this Power BI plus SQL knowledge is compulsory. Because in real time, many companies having databases as part of storage, those companies expecting SQL knowledge. This is the first way you can try. Second way, data analyst role you can try. In this case, Power BI knowledge plus Excel knowledge is advantage. You can try as a data scientist role. But in this situation, Power BI as a reporting helpful, and Python, machine learning, and some other. So Power BI helpful in 3 ways. Which role you want to try? Your wish.
yeah. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Hi, sir. Hi,
Hello,
sir.
good morning,
SQL
sir.
basic sufficient. Perfect.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir,
Sir,
we
I
have to
come.
take for
Now,
hello.
in case you have any personal details to ask or discuss, this is the contact number. Kindly reach out to me after 11 o'clock. I will help you on that.
Sir, good morning, sir. I have a non-IT background.
I will cover one second. Online people ask one question. Yes, please.
Sir, I have non-IT background. I passed
Okay.
at 2006.
No.
I am working
Call
in.
me. No, call me on this number. I will listen to you
Okay.
because we
Okay,
have
sir.
less time, just 40 minutes time.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
hi, sir.
So
Good
anything
morning.
related to my introduction part, ask your questions. If you want to discuss with me regarding career or any sessions, call me on this number. I will spend my time valuably for you.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yes,
My name
please.
is Anil.
Yes, Anil.
Yeah, regarding this SQL, in our demo session, you said like 6 to 6, or I'm not aware of that.
3
Six
to
to
4
nine.
hours only I'm covering, but
Okay,
learn complete.
nine concept will be covered in this training.
No, not covered.
Okay.
9 topics will take 25 hours time.
Okay, so for that we need to learn SQL or what?
Yeah, for that you need to learn SQL separately.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
But you can ask me, why are you taking these 3 hours also, 3 to 4 hours? Just to give you some understanding, what type of
Okay.
concepts we use in Power BI in the real time. In case of data testing you're doing, what type of concepts you use in the real time. To give you that awareness that 3 to 4 hours I'm taking. It's
Okay.
not
Yeah.
possible to complete anything in the 3 to 4 hours.
Okay. So mainly 9 topics will be used in
Hmm.
Power BI related to SQL, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling.
Yeah. Understood. Yeah.
No, I'm not the trainer for SQL. SQL trainer is different, and he will take SQL classes for 40 days.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah, another. I take only Power BI.
Okay.
Yeah, I take only Power BI. No, this question I will answer at 9:10. 9:10. Don't go to subject, okay? Krishna, don't worry, huh? The class will be disturbed. Next, anything related to introduction part, kindly ask. Correct, sir. In this institute. Yes. So I don't want to become jack of all, master of none. Okay. I take Power BI in detail perfectly, and SQL, a different trainer, he will take SQL classes. Those all covered in this class. The data visualization, I showed you earlier visuals. These are all visualization part. And this part come under data warehousing part. 50 to 60 hours is the duration. Daily 1 hour. Sunday holiday, monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. Yeah, monthly 2 Saturdays. Sufficient. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. You can ask other people if they're practicing in the lab, they will tell you. So a trainer 1 hour explains practical means for you to practice 2 to 3 hours minimum time required. That's my experience of one hour. But since you don't have any experience, it will take 2 to 3 hours. You might feel like 2 hours if trainer takes. That's it. You cannot do anything. 6 to 8 hours you need to spend your practice. That's why I told you, in case you really wish to go for fast track, call me on my number. I'll guide you. I'll give you one small case study. Kindly implement it and verify the time, how much time it is taking. Then you can realize. That's what I showed, right? Correct. All this. Yeah, you can. That's a. So if you have any more questions, call me after 11 o'clock. I will help you on that. Okay. Let me continue with my demo. Many people are waiting. Right, sir. Thank you so much. And get ready your questions. I will address from 9:10 onwards. I want to make this session beautiful. So data to fabric. This understanding you all need to have. Why fabric? You'll come to know. Have patience till end of the session. Data. Anything you are able to store in IT is called data. And we are having 3 types of data. First one, structured data. Second one, semi-structured. Third one, unstructured. We all people knowingly or unknowingly working on these 3 types of data. We use Excel sheet and type our content column by column. This is a structured data. And couple of technical people using tables, database tables, and moving the content. That is structured. And second one, semi-structured. No structure like this. We use metadata and we use data. Metadata, data, metadata, data. This is called semi-structured. So JSON comes under semi-structured. XML comes under semi-structured. And social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, this kind of data comes under unstructured. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on 3 types of data, and IT also having 3 types of data. And Power BI is the only one application which is supporting all these types of data. Ramakrishna, you worked on SSRS. Can you work on unstructured data? Not supporting. Semi-structured data? Not supporting. Yes. But Power BI support all types. That is first one. Second one, storage formats. And people keep the data in 2 formats in IT level. 1, file format. 2, database format. Only 2 formats of data available. Some companies file format, some companies database format, some companies both. Next, storage. This data company is storing in the on-premises. What do you mean by on-premises? Within the company storage, they will install a server, and the server level they place everything. And second one, cloud storage, somebody else storage. And this also regularly we are doing it. So we take photos, videos, everything in our mobile or tab, we keep initially in our machine, mobile level, that is on-premise. We take backup frequently into Samsung cloud, Apple cloud, Google cloud, and this is a cloud. So even our contacts, we keep in the email level, cloud level. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on these 2 storages. So IT level, 3 types of data available, 2 types of format available, 2 types of storage available. This picture is clear for everyone?
Yes.
Now IT applications. So this data used in IT applications, there are 2 types of IT applications, major 1 and 2. Actually IT level, many applications available, but majorly 2 types we need to focus, or major 2 application we need to focus. First one, transactional applications. Second one, analytical applications. So business running applications are transactional. You're booking a movie ticket, train ticket, or you are sending amount through online. You'll get a message once it is done, transaction successful. And there is a transaction ID. You placed online order, you will get a transaction ID. You did some QR code scanning and paid some amount, PhonePe, GPay, you will get a transaction ID. So these all applications come under transactional applications, technically. That's why transaction success, transaction fail, you will find it. So business running applications are transactional applications. Example, IRCTC and all. And pure technical, if you speak, they are called as online transaction processing, OLTP. OLTP, technical word, non-technical business running. Then who will use this? We are the people, general public, and we use in multiple platforms, web platform, desktop platform, mobile platform. You want to book a movie ticket, how do you book? You open one Book My Show app, and you will see a form. The form you fill it, the data will be stored. And the data is transaction success, transaction failed only. There is no other data. That's why the storage is called transactional storage. Remember everyone, your transactions storage area is transaction storage. IRCTC, ticket booking success or fail, that information only is stored, so transactional storage. And this data you want to analyze. Take IRCTC example. Daily booking available here, success or fail. Management want to analyze which location having highest seats booking, which region having highest demand for today's Tatkal, which region having lowest demand for today's Tatkal, like this. And this comes under analytical information, analytical data. Analytical information, analytical data. But how do you convert this data into this way? What is required? Guys, it's not that much easy. Here you will get a form, the data store, but you want to convert normal data into analytical data. We call a person as intelligent, his decision making is good, his answerability is good, then only we call him as an intelligent person. And here also this data is called a business intelligence data. Which data? Business intelligence. But how do you convert? So there is a process we follow, business intelligence process. There's a tool we use, BI tools, which will convert this data into intelligent data like this. And here the presentation is a report or dashboard. So this is a report indication. And similarly, dashboard also you find. The management team or whoever wants to take decisions, they will see the data in the web format, desktop format, and mobile format. So maximum people nowadays in the mobile level, tab level, they are viewing the reports and dashboards and taking decisions. And you guys participate in this process only. You belong to this environment. Maybe transactional, may not be transactional, but you implement a fixed BI process and construct report or dashboard. This you implement, this you create. I'm not telling Power BI, any BI. This is a input data. This you implement in the middle. This you create. Got clarity? And your information highly suitable for the management team, analytical team, data scientist, data steward, and senior executives, managing directors, vice presidents to analyze the business data and to take effective decisions. Business intelligence, intelligence to the business, decision making or analysis of the business. And in this situation, we generate a visual or insight. So visual, see, this is a visual, 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 visual. And you're able to see some detailed data. This is called insight. So your objective generating report or dashboard like this with visuals and insights. And your input is data, anywhere, any type. And your output is report or dashboard. So where is the difference? Simple. Detailed data you are showing, that is a report like this. High level data you are showing like this, high level values and all, that is dashboard. And 1 second, sir. So multiple reports data also we will take in a single place, that is a dashboard. So this is one individual information. Savings account, withdraw information, savings account, deposit, savings account, loan processing, like this available. But in the dashboard level, savings account analysis you can do in a single area. That high level presentation possible. And dashboard level always specific business data, specific functionality data we will place. And dashboard level always single view you will take, single view. Got clarity? Yes, sir, ask your question. Only two, sir, there are no other. And some companies create one more called scorecard. Yes, see, scorecard. So what I will show you in the classroom level, report creation, dashboard creation, scorecard creation, all, don't worry. But scorecard also a part of a report or dashboard. That's the reason I did not explain separately. But as a business, all in a single place. So savings account, deposit, withdraw, loan processing, if you show in a single area, that is a single view. Any more questions, sir? Anything? Yeah, not multiple pages. Report usually contain multiple pages. Dashboard always restricted to single page. Restricted to single page, but some companies creating multiple pages. That's a different story. So input and output of BI. What is report, what is dashboard also explain. So either detailed presentation, high level presentation. But how do we prepare from normal data? There is a process. So don't feel confused. Daily I will explain the same for the next 4 days. You feel very bored after 4th day. If you're new to IT, you may feel little confused and panic what it is. You want to construct a house. How do you construct? First, we go for plan, deserve plan. Later, we approach a builder, and the builder will recruit some staff, labor staff, and the staff will go for foundation first, slab or pillar, side wall. One by one we go. Then only finally a house we will see. The same way, the report or dashboard you want to construct, process we follow. Certain process. It is a fixed process, no change. So listen one time or 1,000 times, process remains same. So general customers, 3 platforms they are using, and the data they're maintaining here, maybe file format, a database format. And you want to convert management suitable data. This data is called BA data, business intelligence data. But how come this transactional data you convert to BA data? We have a process. This is a process. BI process. Business intelligence process. It's a layered or stage implementation process. And the first one, ETL layer. Second one, warehouse layer. Third one, semantic layer. Fourth one, reporting. And couple of people maintaining the warehouse level, other layers 5 and 6 also. I'm not explaining, demo regular class level explain. But majorly 4 layers. First layer level will bring the daily data, that is extraction. In case the data needs some changes, we'll transform it. And then we load it. Where? Into huge storage area like this. The huge storage area, people call it as data warehouse. Because data you are keeping, data warehouse. If you're keeping rice packets, rice warehouse. Wheat packets, wheat warehouse. Warehouse is a common regular word. Yes, sir. Now, in the warehouse level, always big data sized storage is available. Mostly databases or cubes or some kind of file streams. Not normal. And here in historical data maintain, please remember, incremental data maintain, years and years data maintain in this area. Historical, incremental, years and years. So this is the first step. No, the process remains same, no requirement to specific. Process same, only the changing thing is the tool which you are using changes based on your budget. The database or the storage area which you are using changes based on your budget. But process remains same, fixed process. Which one? Oh. Yeah, no, that's purely after discussing with the customer, we'll take a decision. Yeah, 100% customer budget. So Teradata is really good. At the same time, too costly. The customer should accommodate that much amount. Then only he can do. Right, sir. First one, bring the data, and second one, maintain huge storage, years and years data. And once you have complete data, then go to specific data storage and analytics. And this is called semantic model. I'm using a pure technical word, semantic model, concentrate. Semantic model level require data available, well modeled data available. Finally, presentation. In this area, the data presented in the form of report and dashboard. So once again, last explanation, high level. So the daily data you bring, perform some transformations if required, and move to huge storage area, years and years data, and continue incremental data available here. But complete data we never use for analysis. Take required data and perform aggregate analytical operations like sum, average, minimum, maximum, top, bottom, rank, normalization, denormalization, everything you do it here. A normal distribution, and normal right tail distribution, such kind of operations. Finally, report a dashboard generated. So this is a process. And this process given in 90s. Please remember the BI process given in 90s. From 90s, top MNCs using this process and generating report or dashboard. Further, they're purchasing one tool here, one storage here, one tool. So multiple tools, multiple technologies required, multiple tools, multiple technologies, and multiple resources, multiple setups required, and good for top MNCs since they are able to accommodate money. They're able to spend the money. Small, medium people scared to use it. They get afraid to use this. Very complex process. So Microsoft decided, why don't we give a simple solution for this? That is MSBI, an on-premises level given in 2005. It is a suite. MSBI is a suite where SSIS used here, SQL Server used here, SSAS used here, RS used here. What are these? So MSBA suite tools. What is suite? Suite can also be called a pack. Suite can also be called as pack. It's a pack of 3 tools. So first tool, integration services. SS for SQL Server. SQL Server integration services for ETL process on-premise. SQL Server analytical process for semantic process on-premise. SQL Server reporting services, semantic process reporting. So multiple tools, multiple layers. Companies felt very happy, especially small, medium companies. Even large companies started using this after 2008. Till 2008, it was not a wonderful solution. So it took 3 years to recognize it by the top MNCs. But 2008 onwards, you don't believe Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BI. Leader. So you're learning the leader in the market. Microsoft is a leader. I'm not telling MSBA, but the leadership brought by MSBA. Now Power BI continuing it. Azure BI retaining it. Then why Power BI, why MSBA and Azure BI? When MSBA was there, it was a leader. Now I'm going to explain. If you go and join in a company, people may ask you, when MSBA available from the Microsoft, why Power BI? If Apple company want to give some new features, they will give you a new version, not a new mobile, right? Apple 15, Apple 16, Apple 17. But why separate product Microsoft given? You are supposed to know. So earlier, what was the BI process to generate reports and dashboards? And middle is what happened, I explained. A suite with multiple tools to perform the end-to-end process, generate report or dashboard. Now I'm going to explain the modern process. Please take a moment, read it. Early BI, what happened? Middle age BI, MSBA, 2005. These are the versions available. 5, 8, 8R2, 12, 14, 17, 17, 19, 22. It is your subject, not out of the subject. When you appear for a job, they may ask you, Babu, do you have knowledge in MSBA? And because our project is using MSBA 2022, any idea about that version? You should not say no and all. At least I heard an MSBA so and so. I'll tell you how to answer that. It's too early to discuss. And here, if you closely notice, every 2 to 3 hours, one version available. One version. That. Now, focus on this. See guys, Gartner rating. Microsoft named a leader in the 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platforms. See, today we are announcing the 15th consecutive year, that is 2022. Now, last year, 16th. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BI. Nobody can claim themselves, they are the leaders. So this is the one. Microsoft, Salesforce, Tableau, ClickView. These 3 are top 3 reporting tools. If you have any doubt about Power BI market, keep that aside. It is having wonderful market. How much you're learning and how much you are able to try, that is important. Focus on that. But market is extraordinary. IT little down, so Power BI also little down. Microsoft BI. Otherwise, it's really good. Is that fine? So not only this, even one more company. I will show you this little old link. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. Little old link. Please see. In 2021, the market share of Power BI, 36% of BA projects in Power BI. and Tableau 20%, and remaining this top BA tools. And 22 actually, this increased to 42%. So if you have 100 BA projects, 42% BA projects in Power BI. 22. Now little more increase in 23, but I don't have that link. So if any company wants to implement BA, there are 42% chances to use Power BI. But this leadership brought by Microsoft MSBA and Power BI continuing. Now again, you can ask me, sir, if MSBA brought the leadership and it was good, then why Power BI? This is the answer. Please focus this. MSBA before 2004 based architecture designed. It was designed before 2004 market based architecture. So the capability only for on-premises. And before 2004, no cloud. So cloud available from 2006 beginning. And social media, Facebook and all available after 2004. Facebook released in 2004. How many of you ever, I don't know. Even many available after 2004. And mobile tab apps available 2009 ending. So there is a great IT evolution after 2005. That was the only problem with MSBA. The configuration, the architecture purely support before 2004 market. So only on premises and multiple tools required. No mobile and tab friendly. Very limited data sources it was supporting. In case MSBA report you want to take in in your company website level, blog level, or your Facebook level, your Twitter level, not possible. No embedding. That means MSBA report you cannot place in other platforms. Compulsory average coding is required. And the visuals and insights are very limited because beginning of the market, beginning of the BI, and every 2 to 3 years there is a new version. But the current market, drastic changing market with many cutting edge technologies process. So people question Microsoft, why still you're continuing with this? Market level, there are many changes. So they decided and they want to add more power to the existing BI. That is Power BI. Adding power to the existing BI. So we have a cloud support. Look at the right hand side, cloud support and on-premises support. And mobile tab friendly supported. Any source it will support. Better embedding possible. Coding is very less, low code. That too, there is a simple language called DAX we use. It is close to Excel formulas. Close to Excel formulas. And many report visuals available. And monthly updates we are having to keep track of IT changes. They don't want to face the issues of MSB like 2 to 3 years a new version. So every month you will find the update. For example, Ramakrishna started a new company, he released a new product. Immediately Microsoft will discuss with you, they take the integration Power BI. And then the next month update, you will find we joined with Ramakrishna's organization, so-and-so, and we brought so-and-so feature. In case you guys are interested to use, you can go for a preview or beta testing. So this is the reason why people love Power BI and having more market. So simply you want to conclude what is Power BI? Adding power to existing BI. Technically strong, you want to conclude and you want to define an organizations. Power BI is a low code application. Cloud and on-premises supportive application. And one more, self-service BI application. Low code is okay. Cloud and on-premises is okay. Both supporting. What is self-service BI application? MSBA level, if you have data, MSBA tools, there are minimum 3 tools available. They will come into the picture and we will create BA data. Power BI level, data you can pass. BA application available, one application with multiple concepts. Finally, BA data. No need of tools. If multiple tools are available, multiple installations required, multiple people required, multiple storages required, But here only one simple application, we can use it, that to fully GUI support, graphical user interface support. With right click, 80% operations you can do. 80% operations in the right click. And just 20% we do with low code. With low code, then what are the concepts? I will show you. But if you want to conclude an interview, conclude it's a low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service B application to generate reports and dashboards of data. Announced into July 2013. Power BI announcement year. And we are having monthly updates, July to current month. Got the references? Why MSBI? Why Microsoft designed Power BI when MSBI available? I clearly explained. I will go back to the previous picture. Please see. This is MSBI multiple tools. This is Power BI multiple concept. Concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4. These 4 concepts we use in these areas. So MSBI suite with multiple tools. Power BI single application, self-service BI application with multiple concepts. Sir, what are these concepts? How come these concepts generating a report? That practically we will see tomorrow. So initially 90s, different company tools. Middle age, one company, multiple tools. Modern, one application, multiple concepts. Process simplified. And not only that, code is reduced, low code. Anybody can learn. And Microsoft seen market actually. Microsoft seen market, people using Power BI. And they decided, why don't we release one more low code application and low code suite, that is a Power Platform, 2019. 2013 onwards, Power BI available. 19, it is joined as part of Power Platform because Microsoft assume people may go for multiple low code combinations for their operations. Power BI for reporting. Power Apps, low code for apps creation. In our mobile level, tab level, many apps we are using. Those apps without much code you want to create, Power Apps is possible. I will take 2-hour session, don't worry. Power Automate, you want to do automated process. Then Power Automate is helpful. It's a low code application. And you want to create websites, web pages with templates without writing much code, Power Pages. You started a company, you want a website without writing much code, you can go to this and create it. Templates are available, just choose the template, type your data, use it. And when we open a company website, any website, in the corner you will see, how may I assist you? A bot. The chatbots you want to create easily, virtual agent. So these are the 5 low code components in the Power Platform level available. And Microsoft assume this combination will hit like anything. But companies using this combination more and more, not this. Microsoft noticed all organizations, how they are operating Power BI and related products. Finally, they given a solution called Fabric. Listen to it. Conclusion of Fabric I'm giving now. And what is Fabric also explaining. 2023, July or June ending, Microsoft given Fabric. What is Fabric? An artificial intelligence solution based on market to do reporting, integration, analytics in a single area or a single suite. So a single suite with 4 tools. Single suite with 4 tools. First one, Power BI, which is for reporting. Data Factory for data integration. Data Activator, data monitoring. Synapse, data storage, and analytics. 4. This 4 combination is fabric. So from tomorrow, when we download the software, when we work on the software, you see everywhere Fabric Power BI, Fabric Power BI, Fabric Power BI. Do not confuse. Initially only Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, MS Power BI. Now companies also asking Fabric Power BI experience 2 to 3 years. Technically strong companies clearly mentioning we need people of 2 to 3 years who are having knowledge on Fabric Power BI. So this is data to Fabric evolution. Understood? If anyone having more experience, a huge gap, they want to add one more tool beside SQL, learn ADF, Azure Data Factory, or Synapse. This is add-on for your career in case you want to add on, or else Power BI and SQL Server sufficient. Done? And today I planned for what we provide subject coverage and data to Fabric understanding theoretical part. And tomorrow, first 10 minutes, I will give the recap of today. And next 15 minutes, we'll see a practical. How to download the software, how to install the software, how to use to generate a report, I will explain tomorrow. And after that, you need to go for practice as well. Practice, feel comfortable, get some hands-on and join from day after tomorrow. Tomorrow's exercise, you must practice. Then you see the flexibility and comfortability of Power BI. Why people love Power BI, you'll come to know tomorrow if you practice along with me. Okay. And before conclusion, my course is highly suitable for the people who want to try for interviews and work in the real time. Even PL 300 exam, this is a Power BI certification exam. In case you want to write 70 to 80% cover. As I told you, in detail subject I will provide you with the daily live class videos. And 2 projects and multiple case studies are covered. I'm very friendly. You can call me in between 11 to 5 any day or 8 to 10. I respond to the student queries. But today in the demo level, I may not answer for many, but 100% I respond. Ask my old students, they will tell you, or running students, they will tell you. And thank you for joining today, guys, and see you in tomorrow's session, and which is a practical session. Now take your mic and ask your questions, whatever you have. I will address all questions.